Hi guys, so like I said, I ordered some more stuff for the lathe. So I thought I'd open it, we'll have a look at it, see what's in the box, see if it fits the lathe, make sure I got it right. So I bought a chuck, Morse taper 2 NT2 drill chuck to go on the tailstock for drilling, and a set of carbide tools. So I'll move the camera and we'll open the boxes and we'll see what's in there. Do this one first because this must be I thought the box was a little bit big. So let's pay and send a box this size and put a box that size in it. World's gone mad. It's not CO2 killing the planet, it's crap like this. So, you know, these aren't like super expensive. I think these chisels were $115 for the three. So, I don't know, what do you think? Don't seem that bad. They seem pretty good. So they're just 3 carbide tipped chisels and a set of replacement tips. You can turn these round as they go blunt. They shouldn't go blunt that quick. Oh, that's a square. So you can just take this out, turn it round to the next one as it blunts. Nicely engineered chuck, and then a Morse 2 taper. And the most important part, because it makes life a lot easier for some stuff. Ooh, that's had a bash in, isn't it? Oh. The center screw that clamps in the chuck, and you can thread that into wood. Chuck tool or key, and a chuck. Oh, nice and smooth as well. So, next test, put both of these on the lathe. I have to make some new tool holders as well, aren't I? Yeah. There you go. Excellent. So, need to make a nice holder for that. Take that center out. Off of that. Oh, and tight. That is nice. Which we will. This heavy. Have to make a holder for that. Yeah, cut some wood, play with the lathe, and we'll go from there. Get a chainsaw. Oh, I love cutting wood with a chainsaw. Okay. and screw the flex twist like so, and then slide kick. And let's find out. Not too bad. The coat of shellac. It's looking very nice actually. So, came out pretty nice. So, just played with the lathe, need a shave, didn't cut any fingers off, made a nice shape to start with. I'm just playing with the new tools, playing with the new chuck, which has worked really well. This chuck is pretty good. The next question is, how hard is it to get it off? Oh, not hard at all. So I think I might try some resin bowls in a bit, but I got to do a bowl. I'll cut a bigger piece of wood because this branch is quite small, so by the time you round it up you're only left with a... I could make a bowl out of that, I suppose, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to see if I could shape a nice shape. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more lathing. I got to make some holders for all the tools and a load of other stuff to do. I gripped that really well. Didn't slip, didn't come off, didn't hit me in the face. Always good. Anyway, have a good time, internet. See you in the next one.